Did you know you've been using Google search like a novice this entire time? Like an absolute novice this entire time? There are actually some features on Google search that professionals use and they get exactly what they want in the very first search results page on Google without having to go to the next and the next and so on and so forth. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to do exactly just that. Stick around to the end. Alright everyone, for today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to search for digital marketing jobs, although you can use this for any job of your choice, but this is how professionals use Google search to find jobs, and I'll begin by showing you how novices or people who don't know how to use Google properly do so. So for a novice, they'll just immediately enter in digital marketing jobs and then just click search. And yes, digital marketing jobs will come up on Google. Yes, you can see these, but they're from disjointed platforms. This one is from Indeed, this one is from My Job Mag, and so on and so forth. And most of the time, they have jobs which have been posted for a very, very, very long time. Some can be from as far back as 3 months, 2 months, a year. And as you know, these jobs might have already been filled up by the time of your application. So I'm going to show you how professionals use Google search to find jobs that are posted in a 3-day span, because that is the most reasonable time frame within which you can actually stand a chance of getting the job you apply for. 3 days of posting. So we go to Google search and we enter in sites. Now what this site does is that it tells Google that you only want to see jobs from this particular website and no one else. That is what SITE then a colon means, that whatsoever website comes after this colon, that is the only website I want to see jobs from. And then you enter in the job you're looking for. And then you say after 2025 August 20th. Here's what this means. Whenever you say after, it means Google should show you only results that come after these dates. Meaning anything before these dates, Google should not show you that. And now let's click enter and see what comes up. Great, you can see these are jobs by Indeed. This one is just about 3 days ago. This is 8 hours ago. That's very nice. A job from 8 hours ago. We have a chance of at least securing an interview if we apply for that early. Alright everyone, it's been how to use Google search 101 for novices. So if you like what you saw and you would like to learn more features that help you get exactly what you want on Google, make sure to subscribe and also leave a like on this video so more of it comes up in your recommendations. It's been nice being with you guys. Have a nice one.